Hey folks, Doug Smiley here again, technical training manager here at Linux. Listen, you are in for a treat today. I was able to sneak out into the hall. I caught Dave Nichols on his way to lunch, pulled him into the studio and to ask one question. I knew if there was anybody in all of Linux who could give us the answer to this questions, it was Dave Nichols. Dave, you ready for this question?
I think so.
All right, here's the question.
All right.
How can dealers generate more leads?
Well, that's an interesting question. There's a number of things that could be done. But, one of the things that I like to recommend is go to the service work order file for the last 6 months or even 12 months if you want, and start going through there. You can find a lot of equipment that is over 15 years of age. In fact, 60% of the equipment that the technician faces on a day-to-day basis is more than 15 years old. So if you go on in through those service work orders, you can find all of those customers who have old equipment, and then you can make a phone call to them and offer a free evaluation, send a comfort advisor out there, and you might be able to even consider giving them a discount for the value of the service work that they had performed against the purchase of new equipment.
So that's business that we already have, right?
Yes,
I mean, we just go through the stuff that we've already done, grab that and start going through those and make those phone calls. That's
Sure.
Simple.
Yeah.
You got anything else for us?
Well, as a matter of fact, yeah. After a technician has been to a house, or even a comfort advisor has been to a house, take door hangers, and when you're finished, go to the house on either side of the house you were working at, and the 3 houses across the street, and put a door hanger on there, identifying the company, and even put a business card on there of the technician or the sales rep, and so that those people know specifically who was there. They can call the dealership if they're interested in any service work or any equipment replacement.
That sounds easy enough. I mean, if I'm a technician, I'm already there anyway, right?
Yep.
So it's just a matter of right before I hop in my truck, just running around hitting those houses, leaving that on the door, and then I'm off.
Yeah. At worst, it takes 5 minutes.
And a time saver, right?
Absolutely.
So we've got that. We can use our old service orders.
Yep.
We can leave the door hangers. Is there anything else that we can do?
Well, there is. Are you ready for this, Doug?
Okay, what is it?
It's really, really simple, but very few people do it. You ask.
That simple.
It's as simple as that. Your customers have friends, families, neighbors. They talk to one another, and just simply ask them, hey, if you like the service work I did today, or if you're happy with this new system we installed, would you share my name with any friends, family, or neighbors who are in the same boat, either want new equipment or they've got a problem and they need to have their system serviced? All you have to do is ask that question and you'll start getting leads.
Well, that's it, folks. You heard it from Dave Nichols himself. There's 3 things that you can do. You can go over your old service orders, you can leave door hangers, and the most difficult one of all, you can simply ask. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.